Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Sam's Cash on the Sam's Club app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and use up your Sam's Cash that you've accumulated over the year. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Sam's Club app. Next, let's go ahead and add an item to our cart. So we'll add this item here. Now, once this item is added, in order to use your Sam's Cash, go into the cart, then go ahead and click on checkout. And we're going to choose an easier item here. So it's actually move some pita bread to our cart. And we're going to go ahead and remove the TV. So now we have pita bread in the cart. Let's click on checkout. Then it's going to ask us to schedule a curbside pickup. Now on the checkout page here, okay? If you scroll down underneath payment method, you're going to see your Sam's Cash balance. Click on apply and you can see it has been applied to our remaining balance. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use your Sam's Cash on the Sam's Club app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.